Here is how you can block private calls on your Android phone. Let me explain that. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So the most important part is to, of course, get the phone and open up the phone app. So inside in here, you can see the regular stuff like the keypad, recents, and so on, but tap the three dots to expand more settings. This is the settings page specifically for the phone app, and in here you have one toggle which is called caller ID and a spam protection. So you can tap on it and essentially enable it. You can see that it uses some kind of like system to identify if the incoming call is a spam or if it's a private call, right? And in this way, you have the ability to block the callers which you don't wish to receive the calls from. You can as well see that we have the block numbers at the top, and you can also block calls from unknown numbers. So that's the thing which you also probably are interested in. So blocking calls from unknown numbers means that if it's a, the caller ID or, the unknown, you don't even know who's calling, then those calls will not even go through. So you can also enable this option, and it will also filter out the incoming calls. Obviously, you can also set up the manual blocking of specific numbers or anything that you really need, but that's outside of this section. So let me know your thoughts. I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the future videos like this one.